Hi, I'm Ray and my company is called Pro Shaper Sheet Metal. And my fascination has been collector cars.
My name is Dan Studzinski. I'm from Florence, New Jersey. Signed up for his 130-hour course. I think Ray's the go-to guy.
I don't think anybody in the world has done what my students have done after just attending even a 4-day class. My grandfather had a restoration shop, and I lived right next door to my grandmother. Then once he got into the restoration in like 1960, I worked there 12 years total. Since like 1985, I've been focusing on exclusively doing sheet metal work.
You know, Ray's disposition makes it all worthwhile. He's laid back, approachable. He is so humble. Here's a guy at the top of his craft. He does things that other people do, but maybe not as well as Ray. When you come to Ray's shop and take his course, he'll teach you anything you want to focus on.
And bring projects to my class, and I teach people from all over the world how to do proper collector car sheet metal to inspire them that they can actually see the vision, that it's doable. See them walking out with a head full of new dreams and ideas. That's the best thing for me. That's my job, is inspiring people.
My Everest project is a 33 Ford. I'm going to make the body from flat sheets of aluminum. And through Ray's flexible pattern method, I feel I have the confidence to do that.
So if you'd like to get in touch with me and attend a class, private message me on Facebook, and we'll discuss what you're looking for out of the class, and hopefully we'll see you at the class very soon.